Trump to ask Supreme Court to overturn DACA rollback. The Justice Department indicated that it is appealing to both the Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals and to the High Court. The Justice Department on Tuesday announced it would take the unusual step of going directly to the Supreme Court to appeal a federal judge's decision blocking the Trump administration's bid to end Obama-era protections for some young immigrants in the country illegally. The Justice Department filed a notice of appeal indicating that, while it would appeal the decision by U.S. District Judge William Alsup to the Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, it would also file a petition for direct review by the Supreme Court. The San Francisco-based Ninth Circuit has repeatedly stymied the Trump administration's actions on immigration, most notably halting multiple versions of the president's executive order that had halted entry to the U.S. by citizens of certain Muslim-majority nations. Alsup, who was nominated by President Bill Clinton in 1999, became the latest federal judge to frustrate President Donald Trump's immigration agenda last week, temporarily blocking the Trump administration from rolling back the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program. The judge found that the administration's decision last September to wind down the program, which had protected hundreds of thousands of immigrants and remains at the center of heated debate in the nation's capital, was likely arbitrary and capricious, and, therefore, violated the Federal Administrative Procedures Act. Attorney General Jeff Sessions, in a statement announcing his department's appeal of the ruling, castigated Alsup's reasoning. It defies both law and common sense for DACA, an entirely discretionary non-enforcement policy that was implemented unilaterally by the last administration after Congress rejected similar legislative proposals and courts invalidated the similar DACA policy, to somehow be mandated nationwide by a single district court in San Francisco, Sessions said. We are now taking the rare step of requesting direct review on the merits of this injunction by the Supreme Court, so that this issue may be resolved quickly and fairly for all the parties involved. Conservatives hold a 5-4 majority on the Supreme Court with the confirmation of Trump nominee Neil Gorsuch last April. The Justice Department has previously found success in defending the president's immigration orders at the High Court. In October, the High Court dismissed an appeal in 2 cases challenging Trump's travel ban, and in December it permitted a permanent version of the restrictions to take effect as challenges win their way through the courts.